I know. Yes, I have a problem. But that's another day, okay? So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of another Dooney and Bourke bag because I got such a good deal on it, and they're always having sales. That's the issue. Dooney and Bourke, if you don't want me to spend my coin, stop having amazing sales and stop giving me money off. Okay? Okay, so let's get into the bag. I'm so excited. Ooh, I almost showed my address because I'm so freaking excited. I went and got some kitty scissors because you know, guys, the last time scissors. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm super excited. I saw quite a few people have this bag. I really was like, is that me? But I do like the texture because I like if I do spill or get anything on it, I want to just like wipe it off and go about my business, you know? I don't want a bag that is super, you know, it's like a lot of upkeep, because in my life, I like to just grab my bag and go throw it in and go, okay? So, and the crazy part is I like tried to get the matching wallet for this because you guys know I like to match, but they were not having a sale on the wallet. And it was a pre-order. No, I ain't doing that. So hopefully I'll be able to find the matching. But I Love Dooney, or I got this from I Love Dooney or Dooney, whatever one I shop between both of them. I did get like a matching like wallet to it because it was like on sale on the Saffiano finds, you know. They were having a sale. It could be still going on, so when you see this video, it might still be going on, so check it out. But you guys can see. Ooh. Okay, let's read what it says in the box. Okay, this was, I paid $87 for this tote. Where they do that at, that's where I need to be. $87, okay? That's my type of pricing, okay? For a quality bag, and yeah, $87, you can't do no wrong. This is the Dooney and Bourke Black Charleston Shopper, okay, guys? That is what it looks like. Woo! I do like the multi color. I am such a like black girl. Like, most of my purses are black. I do have a few that are not black, okay? For anybody asking, I love black, but I do like, you know, color too. Wow. Ooh, it looks extra shiny. Look at that. You get something on this, wipes off. Like, I love the size too. It's not too big, it's not too small. And yeah, I love a good tote bag, but I don't like it too big. I don't know, maybe I'm weird. I like tote bags so I can throw it in, but I don't want a bag too big where everything just doesn't have a, you know, it's just rolling all over the place. But I am, ooh, look at that shine, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And let's show you the tag if it will read. So this is what it is. Hopefully you guys can see that. Don't mind my nails, I need to do them. I'm loving this little zipper in the back. Great size, great size. So let's unravel this, because I'm actually going to put all my stuff from my previous bag into this and see how it works out. Yes, I'm loving this. I'm loving the straps. Yeah, they look very nice. Take the little tassel packaging off. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That little braided tassel on the back. perfect spring summer bag. Perfect. Oh, I love that size. I'm loving the size. I thought it was going to be a little, you know, if it wasn't going to be the small, you got to take this little, you know. So that's how it's looking on the inside with all the stuffing. I'm definitely going to keep the stuffing. I'm coming in fine. So like, if you guys know that the I Love Dooney bags don't like have dust bags at all, like for none of the bags, so let me know, because I think that's like what's happening. But you know, I'm gonna have to find somewhere to set my bags anyway, so they're going to be displayed, so I technically won't need the dust bag. But for now, since I don't have the space, I'm like kind of, you know, they're like, you know, just out. I would love them to be like protected in a bag, but that's here nor there. Here is the inside, and it has the nice little key fob or key tassel connector. I don't know what you want to call it. It does have pockets right under the zipper. I don't know how convenient that is, because the way the zipper, it like folds over. But I mean, if you want to put something important in there, you know, so it doesn't fall out, because I don't think it would. And then on the other side, it has a pocket here, and then a pocket, the zip pocket right here. Huh. And this is just to register your bag. Looks super nice. I'm just looking it over, guys. And I'm loving that it has feet on the bottom. Nice touch. I love how it feels. It's just so sleek. This is so cute. So, right now what I'm carrying is this. We'll talk about this in another video, but this is the bag that I have been using. So, yes, this is going to be in another video. So, but I'm going to switch out into the Dooney. So I'm just going to take all the stuff out and see what fits. So here's my clear carry-all. I got all my pads exposed, dang. But we're all adults here. But these would go into my toiletry. This is a Victoria's Secret little bag. And I put like, I have my poopery, and I have my hot pot, is it honey pot? Honey pot, not hot pot. Don't have one of those. My honey pot wipes in there. So, but I usually put my spray deodorant, my lotion, my spray that I wear. I don't know where the top of this is. I think my kids lost it. Listerine. I have a lip scrub because my lips be getting dry up under the mask. Oh, there's another pad. I have some pens in here. I have some cortisone cream and just some random stuff. I have a freaking Lancet from work too. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put all of that stuff back in here. I'm actually gonna keep this in my little lip thing. So I'm gonna put this pad back where it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is the major thing that I like to fit into my bag. All of these like go together. Okay, so I'm going to place. Okay, so that's the first thing. It's not that much room, but there's room to make it work. And we're gonna talk about this too. This is the little Louis whatever this is called. I'm gonna talk about all this in another video. But I carry this all the time. It actually, my kids got something on it. I can't seem to get it out. So I carry this. So If you know, you know. So this is like actually a replacement for a book. I lost it at my last job, and I love this book, so I'm gonna read it over. I did get the other two after this that I've never read before, so I'm so excited. But I'm reading The Coldest Winter. Okay, so my sissy bought me some corn nuts, which I'm gonna put in there. My planner, my wallet. I'm still using the coated canvas small credit card wallet. I have a charger that I need to put in there as well. Okay, I have my safety glasses for work that I got from Amazon, and they just look like this. And yeah, they have all like, they're a little too big for my head. I got them off of Amazon, and they slip off too because I was tired of like wearing a shield that would slide down because my face gets, I don't wear makeup to work, so my face gets like super oily. So yeah. I have some gum, Carmax, and do I have anything in this pocket that I need to throw away? Oh, and a pen. So, but I will be talking about this bag and maybe a few other bags in my next video, okay? So, we have, in our lovely Dooney, we have this going on. So I'm going to put my planner in, my book in, because I definitely want those. Okay, so I'm seeing that it's not that much room. Not that much room, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm going to put this in the zipper compartment in the back. Okay, this, no, let me take these out. Or can they stand up, or they're too tall? I think they're too tall. Go. So let's do this, guys. I thought it was the right size. I don't know. I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to make it work. So I'll put my charger in here. Let's see. Okay. That's fitting in that. Boom. My wallet has to stay, so that's like that. This is gonna go on the side of that. Okay. My planner has to go in. Uh-oh. So, my goggles. I could put this in my backpack. A pen. Go into my planner. Okay, so fortunately, the coldest winter, I don't think it's gonna fit, you guys. Like, we're stuffed to the brim. I mean, I could put stuff on top and leave it open like that, because I could do this and just go. Boom, boom. I like to close my bag sometimes, especially like with my kids. So I could probably stuff those down. Let's see. Okay. It is closed. It is closed. So, unfortunately, I won't be able to take my book around, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna, I could just carry this, grab and go. Grab and go. That's what I'm gonna have to do, but that's okay. That's okay. I could have invested in a Kindle instead of it, but I do like just reading the actual books too. So I am really liking this, you guys. Maybe a little bit bigger. I probably put my phone back here. Let's open that up. Yeah, definitely could fit my phone. But since I don't have my phone, I'm recording off of it. I'm just gonna, yeah, but I love this bag. Very cute, very summer-esque, like pop of color, even though it's still black, still a pop of color. I'm really liking this. Dooney and Bourke, my coins. But thank you for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys, and I appreciate all the love on my videos. And I'll see you on the next one.